Hello, I'm Tim Ebler, Director of Architecture here at Swimage. Today, we're going to talk about some of the many ways Swimage can aid in disaster recovery. Swimage was designed not just to restore a system back to full functionality, but to rebuild it while still maintaining the user's data and personality. This provides a clean system built from the ground up that's ready to use right at first logon. With targeted actions, remote and offline support, as well as mass provisioning, Swimage will give your IT team the tools they need to recover your environment from one system to thousands within minutes. Swimage tools can be delivered and initiated in whatever way necessary to get your systems back online. With Swimage Attune in place, the systems will already have our secure tools resident on the system. Recovery can be initiated from the Swimage portal or by the local user. Detection and compliance rules can automatically alert and recover a system. Swimage managed systems can create recovery media that can be used to restore a corrupted system by booting to a thumb drive. Users of unmanaged systems can be sent recovery media through the mail or can install the Swimage agent to enable the functionality. You can mass provision your devices for remediation, bringing the entire environment back in minutes, and we can monitor all of those active deployments live. Let's take a closer look at some of these methods and show how they can help give your organization the tools they need to feel prepared for any disaster. When a system has become compromised, we can create rules to alert support. And if it's determined that the severity will require remediation, Swimage provides numerous ways to implement the solution. Let's go to the Assets page and use our filtering to get to a specific machine that we see has actually given us an alert. If we know we are support for a specific location, we can actually drill down into that location for our own supported machines, where we will then see that we have an alert. Going to the machine, we can find it here, and opening it up, we can get the details for that system and for the alert itself. From this window, recovery can be initiated directly from the portal. By applying Run Now actions, systems can be locked using Swimage's proprietary splash lock technology, or completely rebuilt to a clean, fully functioning system, simply by selecting the proper action from the tool. We can either run these actions immediately, or we can schedule them depending on the support technician's preference. Alternatively, the same triggers used to alert us of the issue can be leveraged to initiate the locking or recovery of the system. In the case of a larger outbreak, mass provisioning can be used to remediate the entire organization. These actions can be applied to collections so that everything in the collection will receive that same action. So if you need to reimage a number of machines, they can all be done at the same time. Systems currently managed by Swimage can also leverage self-service options, and users can initiate recovery through our Swimage Assist tool, SWAT, with a simple click of a button. They can also create a recovery drive that can be used to boot to recover systems with unresponsive OS issues. These can be created ahead of time so that they're ready for any emergency. The system is not currently managed by Swimage. These sticks can be created by a technician and sent to the users through the mail. Or the Swimage agent itself can be pushed using the corporate EMS to enable recovery functionality. Swimage has our patented encryption handler technology that can be integrated into the process to ensure your data is kept safe and secure throughout the recovery. Swimage's Snapshot technology can be mined from the PC after remediation to be used for forensics. Swimage provides the security of knowing you can get your environment back up and running in the unfortunate case of disaster, safely and securely in a matter of minutes. For more information on our business continuity and recovery solutions, come visit us at swimage.com. Thanks for listening.